Welcome to Automating Financial Reports with Power Query, where you will learn how to automate the repetitive work on financial reporting. The preparation of financial reporting can be a daunting and eventually boring task, as day in, day out, you have to prepare similar reports repeatedly. Every month, you tell yourself that you will automate the process so that you can spend less time on non-value added tasks. But every month, you end up doing the same thing. You attended numerous courses on Microsoft Excel, but none of it will tell you exactly what and how to automate the financial reporting process. For this reason, we have developed the Automating Financial Reports class to address the issue. The course has a custom-made case study to address practical problems faced in the real-world situation. At the end of the course, you will be able to confidently know what and how to automate your financial reports. Remember, it is not how many formulas you know that matters. It is about knowing how to apply these formulas that truly makes a difference. The course has 4 modules comprising of 22 lectures with 5 hours of video time. Each module is designed for you to learn in a step-by-step approach, starting from managing raw data, automating reports using pivot tables, automating financial statements using functions and formulas, and lastly, embedding new data to the model created. The ideal student for this course is business or finance professionals who want to make a drastic change to automate the way they do financial reporting. There is minimal requirement to enroll. We only ask you to come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to look at the course description, and we look forward to seeing you soon.